Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, I think it's pretty obvious one of my favorite beverages is coffee. Today I'm trying out a new gadget that my mom, she's one of those ladies who she loves ordering things online from catalogs, from QVC, Home Shopping Network, and all those great places. So today, she showed me this thing she bought, a microwave coffee brewer. So I'm going to show you the picture here. I might actually put a still in here for you so you can see it. But this microwave coffee brewer, it says enjoy the rich flavor of brewed coffee from your speedy microwave. Just fill the jade green pot with water to marking for up to 5 cups. So I have it drying on a nice little towel here. This is what the pot looks like. This is the lid. No. Okay, the base stays on there. This is the top for the basket that contains the coffee. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions, or just below. So since it says it works best, even though I only want 2 cups, since I am demoing this, I'm going to go ahead and do 5 cups of water. So that would be the 16 ounces. All right. So again, the line is difficult to see. I cannot even see that line now. Okay, I see the line. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. All right. So I have it to the line. All right, now it says place basket with stem on the inside. Okay. So I did that. Add coffee grounds to the basket. So 1, 2, let me turn this. 3 and 4. All right. So we place this lid on here as well, and then we place this here. Okay, so I just opened the microwave and the coffee brewed over. Okay, so I'm not really happy about that. All right, so I went ahead and put a paper towel to start soaking up the coffee that spilled, and now I'm about to taste test this. All right, so we're back here getting ready to try the coffee. Was not happy that I had to clean up, or I'm going to have to clean up the microwave after I finish this demonstration for you. So, okay, and it's spilling out from somewhere. Okay, that's not a good pour. All right, that's enough for me. All right, so already I'm not happy that I got to clean up the microwave. What time did I just save? You know, I'm getting up in the morning, I make this coffee, and now I got to clean up the microwave. All right, so let me see what this tastes like. Oh, not happy, but okay, it smells good, nice and strong. It's really hot. If you can see the steam coming from the top. Okay. Oh, it worked. It does taste like brewed coffee. So it did work despite the little bit of a mess. It said it worked better if you had it at the 5-cup mark, which I did. However, it spilled over. So thank you for joining me for another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.